Good morning, students. Last class we have seen the difference between Lewis acids and Lewis bases, identification of Lewis acid and Lewis base, strength of acids and bases, dissociation constant Ka, relative strength of conjugate acid base pair. Now we learn about ionization of water. What does mean ionization? Ions produced. From where? Water. Water combined with water to produce ions. This is said to be what? Auto-ionization of water. What is auto-ionization of water? One water combined with another water to form H3O plus and OH minus ion. What happened in this? One water acts as acid because it donates a proton and to become OH minus ion. So H2O and OH minus ion are called as conjugate acid base pair. H2O accept a proton and it will become H3O plus. So the H2O and H3O plus is the another conjugate acid base pair. One water donate a proton, it acts as acid. Another water accept a proton, it acts as a base. How to write the dissociation constant for the above equation? Dissociation constant K is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. H3O plus concentration, OH minus ion concentration, whole divided by H2O concentration, whole squared. So the H2O concentration is taken as 1. So that H2O concentration whole squared is also 1. So the K become Kw. What is remaining? H3O plus concentration and OH minus ion concentration. The square bracket indicate concentration. So concentration of H3O plus ion, concentration of OH minus ion, concentration of H2O. What is ionic product of water? Kw is equal to H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. How to define ionic product of water? Ionic product of water is defined as product means multiplication of, product of hydronium ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. Ionic product of water is defined as the product of hydronium ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. H3O plus concentration is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. OH minus ion concentration is also equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. Experimentally determine the value of H3O plus in pure water is 1 into 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. The 25 degrees Celsius, that means what? Standard condition. Experimentally determine the value of OH minus ion in pure water is 1 into 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. What is ionic product? Kw equal to H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. This is ionic product of water. So these values are applied in the formula. H3O plus is replaced by 1 into 10 power minus 7. OH minus ion is replaced by 1 into 10 power minus 7. After substituting these values, we get 1 into 10 power minus 14. That is the ionic product of water. What is the value of ionic product of water? 1 into 10 power minus 14. Like all equilibrium constant, Kw is also a constant at a particular temperature. Kw is also a constant. It acts as a constant. Dissociation of water is an endothermic reaction. Endothermic means what? Absorption of heat energy. With increase in temperature, the concentration of H3O plus and OH minus ion also increases, and hence ionic product also increases. Temperature is increases, concentration increases, Kw values also increases. In neutral aqueous solution, the concentration of H3O plus ion is equal to concentration of OH minus ion, like in NaCl solution. In aqueous solution of acid, H3O plus will not equal to OH minus ion, because in acid H3O plus concentration is greater than OH minus ion concentration. In aqueous solution of base, H3O plus will not equal to OH minus ion, because in base OH minus ion is greater than H3O plus concentration. We can understand this by considering aqueous HCl. HCl dissolve in the water and to form H3O plus and Cl minus ion. Here auto-ionization of water and dissociation of HCl, both of them occur. What happened in this? Auto-ionization of water and also dissociation of HCl. HCl molecule also produces H3O plus. HCl produces H3 plus. What happened in this? HCl donate a proton to water and this will become H3O plus. Here the concentration of H3O plus is greater than OH minus ion. So it means that aqueous solution of HCl is acidic. In aqueous solution of basic, OH concentration is greater than that of H3O plus concentration. For example, NH3, NaOH act as a base. The summary of above is: in neutral solution, H3O plus concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. In acidic solution, H3O plus concentration is greater than OH minus ion concentration. In basic solution, OH minus ion concentration is greater than H3O plus concentration. Calculate the concentration of OH minus ion in fruit juices, which contains 2 into 10 power minus 3 molar H3O plus ion. Identify the nature of the solution. So what is given? The concentration of H3O plus is given. What is calculate? The OH minus ion concentration and nature of the solution. First you have to write the formula ionic product of water. What is the formula for ionic product of water? Kw is equal to H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. First you have to calculate OH minus ion concentration. So the formula become OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kw divided by H3O plus concentration. What is the Kw value? Is already given in the sum. Kw, this is the ionic product of water. Kw is the ionic product of water is already known, 1 into 10 power minus 14. H3O plus concentration is given in the sum. The concentration of H3O plus is 2 into 10 power minus 3. So Kw value 1 into 10 power minus 14 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 3. After substituting this value, we get 5 into 10 power minus 12. Here, this is the concentration of OH minus ion. H plus ion, the concentration of acid is 2 into 10 power minus 3. Comparing the concentration of acid and base, which one is greater? If it is acid greater, the solution is acid. If it is a base greater, the solution said to be base. Here, the concentration of acid is 2 into 10 power minus 3. The concentration of base is 5 into 10 power minus 12. Here, the concentration of acid is greater than that of concentration of base. So the juice is acidic in nature. At a particular temperature, the Kw of a neutral solution was equal to 4 into 10 power minus 14. Calculate the concentration of H3O plus concentration and OH minus N concentration. What is given? Solution is neutral. Solution is neutral, that means what? H3O plus concentration is equal to OH minus N concentration. The Kw, the value for Kw is 4 into 10 power minus 14. Which one is calculate? H3O plus and calculate H3O plus ion and OH minus ion. Now we consider the concentration of H3O plus ion X. The concentration of OH minus ion is taken as X. What is the formula for ionic product of water? Kw is equal to H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. So the H3O plus is replaced by X. The OH minus ion is also replaced by X. Kw value is already given in the sum. Kw, that is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 14. X into X, X squared equal to 4 into 10 power minus 14. So X is equal to root of 4 into 10 power minus 14. Root 4, that is equal to 2. Root of 10 power minus 14, 10 power minus 7. It is the half of this value. So that the concentration of H3O plus is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7. The concentration of OH minus ion is also equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7. What is pH scale? Already we know that the hydrogen ion concentration is calculated by the pH scale, and also the strength of low concentration is also calculated by the pH scale. We usually deal with acid and base solutions in the concentration range 0.1 to 10 power minus 7 molar. To express the strength of such concentration, Sorensen introduced a logarithmic scale known as pH scale. Who is introduced pH scale? Sorensen. pH is